What's up, traders? In this video, I'm going to show you how I made $1,000 yesterday. Today's Tuesday, so we're going to go over Monday's trading day. I've got 3 positions that I want to talk to you about. Now, I just took a payout from Top 1 Futures not even a month ago, as you can see here. I'm almost at the target to take another payout. So there could be 2 payouts here within the same 30-day window. I'm up 5,600, almost 5,700 on this account. As you can see, it's been green every single day that I've traded it, except one day, Monday the 5th. We're going to specifically focus on these trades from yesterday, the 19th. This is trading a 150K account with Top 1 Futures. So you'll see my P&L will fluctuate, sometimes $500 to $1,000 a day, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less. That's usually how much I'm risking per day with these accounts. I don't try to hit home runs and make it all in one day. I try to stay within the consistency rule and kind of chunk my way there. If you want to get funded with Top 1 Futures, use the code ASFX. That's going to save you big, the biggest discount that they offer. Also, if you click the link in my bio, you can get access to our automated VWAP indicator that you're going to see here in a second. I'll explain this to you. That's also linked, and there's a discount for that as well. So the positions I want to show you first, you can see the date, the entry, the direction. First trade yesterday was short, minus 600. Second trade was a short. We made some money on that, started to claw our way back. And then you can see we hit the long here, done by 11:42 in the morning, making all of it back and ending the day plus $1,000. So let's just go over the trades. I'll show you where I added in. I'll show you where I got out. First thing you'll see is we have a light blue line. That's yesterday's New York VWAP. Then we have a dark blue line. That's today's New York VWAP. Then we have a dotted line here. That's the VWAP anchored at the 6 p.m. changeover last night. So the first position, as you saw, was a short. I tried to get short off of previous day VWAP because of the strong run-up that we had. I had orders below us on Bookmap that I was looking to target. I really just wanted a small scalp back into yesterday's New York VWAP, but we didn't get that. So I took the full stop out of this trade. Not a big loss. On a 150K account, as you can see, it was only a $632 loss right there. You can see that. So not a big deal. That's why I kept that first trade of the week, fighting the VWAP. I kept it small. Then, as the move continues higher, so here's the candle that stopped me out, we start to consolidate. So I tried again. I tried the short at 59.60, trying to get that move back into the New York VWAP and back into the previous day New York VWAP. Didn't give it to me, so I closed it for a small win, as you see here. That put me done trading that direction at 10:52 in the morning. So I recovered basically $500 of the $632 loss. There's the 630, then I go 488. Now, because the short is not working, I tried it here and I barely made some money. I flip and I get long. So if we zoom in on this, you can see my entry 59.56. I'm out of the trade at 59.66. That 10-point move put me up very nicely on the day, about $1,100. So I'm long here on the break of that high of day VWAP in green. That's an entry that we teach in Futures 101. If you're watching this far into the video, Futures 101 should be a must. There's a link in the description. Just go to ASFX TV. It's free. Please watch this course. It will teach you how I take trades like this. So I tried the shorts twice, basically break even. That tells me the shorts are probably not working. Look at how the New York VWAP comes out of the opening range. That's another bullish sign. Look at how well we hold with pins the previous day New York VWAP, and we consistently make higher highs and higher lows. So I flip my bias, I get long, I put a nice 14-point stop loss in it, and I let it sit, and I take profit very quickly at about 14 points to the upside. About 14 points, about 10 points. So risk 14 to make 10, still put me up green on the day, which really feeds my whole thing about not worrying about 1R. You can see there's equal high of day here. We know we may run into slowing, so I'll take that, be done my trading before my 12 o'clock workout. And that was the trades that you'll see if I go like this. Made 732 long here. Look at the exit here, right? And then here was the add-in. So I added into the position to make it a little bit heavier. Total contracts on that, 15 and then 10. So 25 micros, still not that heavy. Still not that heavy. So that was the way we made money yesterday. Then today, we had a pre-market trade that I'm going to go over in my next video. So again, if you want to get funded with any prop firm, I've got discount codes for a lot of them at the link in my bio. The indicator that I'm using in these videos, that's also linked in my bio. But make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I've got podcasts going up every single weekend, every Saturday, especially coming this weekend. We've got panels that were filmed in person in Miami, which is awesome. Way better than the Zoom podcasts. So make sure you subscribe, stay tuned for the podcast, and I'll see you guys in the next video.